In a beautiful world, there was a boy named Tim who loved nature. He wanted to take care of the earth for a long, long time.
Tim liked to explore forests and play near rivers. He saw that sometimes places were dirty and animals didn't have homes. Tim wanted to help them. He started by picking up trash and putting it in the right place. Tim also learned about recycling and told his friends and family how to do it too. They all helped keep the earth clean. Tim loved plants and trees. He knew they gave us fresh air to breathe. So, he planted trees in his town to make it greener. He showed others how important trees are. Animals were important to Tim too. He learned that some animals needed our help to be safe. Tim told everyone to be kind to animals and protect their homes. Tim told everyone to be kind to animals and protect their homes. They always remember Mr. Adams' words of wisdom and the impact he had on their lives. As time passed, Tim's mission grew. He worked with others to make his town better. They put out special bins for recycling, planted more trees, and saved homes for animals. Tim's hard work paid off. The earth became cleaner, and people cared more about nature. Tim's dream of protecting the earth for a long, long time came true. And so, Tim, the young helper of the earth, showed us that even small things can make a big difference. He taught us to love and care for our planet. Tim's story reminds us to be kind to nature, so it can stay beautiful for all of us.